This is the way we hook up the Jeep. Hook up the Jeep. Hook up the Jeep. This is the way we hook up the Jeep. So early in the morning. This is the way we smash our finger. Smash our finger. Smash our finger. This is the way we smash our finger. Here we are at another Corps of Engineers site, which usually I would say is the best bang for your money. However, this one has more bang than we thought we would have, because every 15 to 20 minutes at night, the train goes by. Here we are on the train tracks. One little, two little, three little RVs, four little, five little, six little RVs, all waiting in line to dump their tanks.
Ooh, no.
Turn right onto Park Lane.
No idea, but we saw coming over the bridge over the Mississippi what looked like a, what do you call that, Venetian boat?
Gondola.
A gondola. And all these tents and everything, and it's an impromptu dragon boat race. The one boat is breast cancer survivors, you can see, because they're all in pink. And they're going to take other breast cancer survivors out in the boat for a ceremony. So I'm going to get to go out there too. I'm 6 years out. So I would love to go out there. Going down to the dragon boat with them. Breast cancer survivors.
Yep, we're going to bring them in.
We're walking up to the Fenland Place Elevator Company, and I guess the mayor of this city back in the day had to come down here every day for work, so he installed this elevator which goes up like 397 feet or something like that.
It's like the steepest,
shortest elevator. But it's really a train. That's cool.
It's just the buzzer, buddy.
Please remain seated all the way to the top of the hill. Thank you.
And it's a counterweight. So there goes the other one. Stomach. We took the cable car up, now we're gonna walk down. Get a few steps in while we're here. Mississippi Queen! You know what I mean. Here we are, all alone on the, basically all alone, on the Riverwalk, Mississippi Riverwalk in Dubuque, Iowa. The only thing out here really is birds, a few people, and us. Having our lunch on this beautiful day on the river, on the banks of the Mississippi. Yes, yes, yes. Shalom. Namaste. Hola. Hola.
Bonjour.
You got the fish.
What is he? What kind of fish is it?
Northern. Well, this is central. Yeah, it's a central fish. Ow! Northern pike.
So do you eat them? Huge cornfields. But I heard one time that if you build it, they will come. Did not expect this. Original, or lots of RVs, Field of Dreams. Here we are in the Historic Auto Museum, and this car is owned by Dick Trickle, my favorite driver ever.